Welcome to We Are Satoshi, Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash update provider. Not a mainstream media, no BS, no gimmicks, just facts and fun. We Are Satoshi. Welcome back. Keeper, the temple bell rings again. BTC $109,483, the 27th of September, 2025. At time of writing, Temple of Satoshi Daily Update. Now before I dive into the market pulse, can I kindly ask you to subscribe and hit the all button to help this channel. Market pulse. Price, your figure, $109,483. Short-term tone, choppy, oversold bounce attempts after recent weakness. Buyers are tentative. Key levels, support, $108,200, $106,800. Secondary resistance, $111,500, $114,000. Micro note, funding rates and futures open interest eased overnight after yesterday's liquidation events. A cleaner market than the headline panic suggests. Watch funding if you trade leverage X, formerly Twitter. Crystal ball, scenarios, entertainment, not advice. Bull case, hold $108,000, reclaim $111.50. K rally to $114,000, $116,000 on steady volume. Bear case, break and hold below $108,000, test $105,000, $106.80. K. Near term likely, range trade between $106.80 K, $111.50 K while liquidity rebuilds. Temple trade scroll, trade idea, short term, counter trend long if conditions met. Entry zone, $109,200 to $109,700. On signs of bid and higher low, take profit. TP, $111,500. Stop loss SL, $107,900. Y. A disciplined bounce play. Support cluster near $108,000 and easing funding point to a short cover reflex rally. Cut quickly if $107.90 K fails. Temple reminder, illustrative only, size to your risk. Reminder, this is not financial advice, just a timeless Temple illustration. Do your additional research before jumping into any trade. Agora tweets X is for real voices. Selected recent public posts threads that capture today's market pulse and narrative. At A. Pompliano, highlighted the long-term narrative that volatility is expected and reiterates accumulation for long-term believers. X, formerly Twitter. At Woonamic, Woolly Woo, on-chain take, accumulation and exchange outflows remain meaningful signals. Watch supply dynamics. Yahoo Finance, at Lynn Alden Contact, notes that macro liquidity and institutional balance sheet choices will keep shaping BTC's next leg. Lynn Alden, at Sailor, continued bullish mantra, keep Bitcoin. Long-term treasury strategies remain a major structural demand story. X, formerly Twitter. Temple joke scroll number 42. Why did the hodler become a locksmith? Because he wanted to keep everyone's key safe. One lock per Satoshi. Fun fact scroll number 42. Bitcoin's protocol fixes total supply by design. There will only ever be 21 million BTC, enforced by code. No human can change that without consensus. That scarcity is the central economic story. Wisdom scroll number 42. Markets test conviction. Those who learn to breathe through the test graduate to wisdom. Bitcoin history scroll number 42. Early exchange history. In March 2010, BitcoinMarket.com launched, one of the earliest venues where BTC traded for fiat, marking the move from forum quotes to an actual market. Exchanges would evolve fast after this. Inspirational thought from Satoshi. Solve quietly. Let the code, time and patience become your answer. Deep dive scroll number 42. Mining economics. Quick primer. Short practical. Why miner behavior matters to price. Revenue sources. Miners earn block rewards. New BTC plus transaction fees. After halvings, block reward halves. Fees can help fill part of the gap. Hash price. A useful metric. Miner revenue per unit of hash power shows how profitable mining is, and therefore whether miners sell newly minted BTC or hold. Why it matters to price. If miners sell heavily, to cover costs, supply pressure rises. If miners hold and accumulation rises, supply tightens. Large changes in electricity costs, hash rate, or reward structure can shift selling behavior quickly. Practical signal to watch. Rising miner outflows equals near-term sell pressure. Sustained outflows turning to accumulation equals healthier structural demand. Practical tip of the day number 1. How to verify a wallet is legitimate. Check the wallet provider's official website and GitHub for source code or repo links. Confirm the exact app package name in the App Store. Impersonators often use similar names. Read recent release notes and community threads. Open source projects have visible development. Always back up your seed before funding the wallet. Temple Gong. BTC $109,000. Choppy and oversold. Watch $108,000 for support. $111.50 for resistance. Trade idea. Cautious rebound entry $109.20 K 109.7 KTP $111.50 K. SL $107.90 K. Keep sizing tight, and use Lightning for tiny payments if you want to play with SAT's cheaply high voltage sign. That is all for today's episode, legend. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel. See you in the next one.